Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up your Lightning Proxies inside PhantomBuster so your automations run safely, smoothly, and without interruptions. First, log into your PhantomBuster account. Once you're in, head over to the Profile section on the right-hand menu. Next, open the Proxies tab. This is where you'll connect Lightning Proxies to PhantomBuster. Click New Proxy Pool. Enter a profile name. Then add the details provided by Lightning Proxies. The proxy IP address, port number, username, and password. Be sure everything matches exactly with your Lightning Proxies dashboard. Once saved, PhantomBuster will automatically test the connection. If everything is correct, your proxy will be confirmed and ready to use. This ensures your automations run securely through Lightning Proxies. Finally, open any Phantom you're running. Under Settings, select your Lightning Proxy from the Proxy drop-down. From now on, your Phantom will operate using your secure Lightning Proxies connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up Lightning Proxies in PhantomBuster. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Lightning Proxies.